Hello guys, it's Alan here at Half Acre Homestead Outdoors. We're out doing some camping this weekend and just hanging out, relaxing. Channel ain't doing too good, so we're gonna try to spice it up a little bit for you all. We're gonna start putting some camping videos on here, us camping. A little bit of everything. Might have fishing on here. We're still gonna have our animals and a barn building. And we're just gonna try to juice it up a little bit. Try to get some subscribers. Try to get up to at least 500 subscribers, but we're gonna do our best to get you all interactive with our channel. This year, I'm gonna start doing some overnight camping, solo camping. And Daisy do a little bit of camping, and gonna try. Might start out once every 2 weeks, and then later on once a week. Gonna try it in the winter. I got a little old diesel heater. I'm gonna use it, but we're gonna try to spice it up, get y'all more entertained, and let y'all interact with us. Right now we're at Follow the River Resort Campground. It's in Markland, Indiana. A lot of people don't tell where they're at, but I ain't about all these secrets. If I got friends that wants to come and see me, they're more than welcome. If you're that scared to I know there's a lot of people out there that want to hurt people, but I believe if people's on here and if they're watching your channel and they've been a long time subscribers and they want to meet you, I think, they're good enough to sit here and watch our videos and hang out with us all the time. I'm just opposite everybody else. I'm here for the people that's watching, and I want them to enjoy what they're watching. So we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna have a little bit of everything. We're gonna have camping, fishing. It's like right now. Let me flip this camera around. And I'll show. I want y'all to look what a fire pit we got here on this spot. But this is a pretty nice spot, and that's a camper, and but it's probably it's an 80 by 80 or maybe more campsite. It's pretty. Got a lot of woods behind us, but we're gonna start mixing it up. We still got all of our animals. We got probably, I'm just guessing, I'm gonna say around 125 to 150 chickens. We got 6 or 7 ducks, 1 turkey, 4 goats, and 2 of them's gonna have kids on 2 or 3 months. And then we got I think I got 8 quail, and I'm fixed to set some quail eggs. And but I know people like to see chickens, and we're gonna have chickens. We're gonna have goats. We'll have everything on this channel. But I'm gonna change the name of it. I ain't change the brand name. But don't know yet what we're gonna change it to. If y'all got any ideas, leave me some comments, and we'll get back to you. I mean, y'all can email me. I think my email's in my script bio or whatever, down up here, up there, somewhere. It's in here somewhere. But if not, I'll put it on here later on the screen. But we're just wanting to get people interactive with us and hang out with us and enjoy life you know, I'm all about enjoying. I enjoy everybody watching my channel, but I want people to, you know, get on there and comment. Tell me what's going on, what you want to see, and what y'all think about me mixing it up. I hope y'all okay with it. If you're not subscribed, subscribe and follow along. Uh, I'm not going to promise you won't be disappointed. If you are, we'll be disappointed together. And then y'all can let me know what I'm doing wrong. But I don't know. We just want to mix it up. And I'm going to try this solo camping by myself. I'm 63 years old, and I'm not ready to get old. I'm gonna live my life. I want to live till I'm 100, and I don't care, over 100. I want to live, and I got to get out here and do something. And I'm going back on that carnivore this coming week. We done it there for about 4 months, and I felt great. And then we stopped, and it ain't no good. So I'm gonna go back to doing it again. We want you all to jump in here and leave us some comments. I don't care if they're bad comments, good comments. Just let us know what y'all want to see. We're gonna have the animals. We got the barn. I got a chicken. I'm gonna build a 10 by 10 chicken house on the back of the barn, or maybe a little bigger, probably a 10 by 15. Chicken house on the back of the barn. So, and then we're gonna be able to walk through the barn into the chicken house. We'll probably break it down into two chicken houses. Then the barn, we're gonna have 4 chicken pens in there, and we got 2 stalls for the goats. And then we got our 2 hoop coops. Then we got grow out pens. I got 2 or 3 containers I'm gonna make grow out pens, and we got our building. It's got our for our babies, our brooder boxes, and then we're gonna be hatching chickens, fishing, camping. I don't know, a little bit of everything. Barn building, chicken building. I still got a lot to do on that barn, but y'all leave me some comments. You know, I want to do this channel for you all and me, but I want to succeed. I ain't got no teeth in, so I want to succeed, and you know, and we'll have some good times, bad times, but I guarantee you that we'll have a time, whatever it is. It might be a mess, it might not. But we're gonna try a solo camping out and see what it's going to be all about. And if y'all can think up a good name for this channel, with everything, what we can name it, leave me some ideas. Tell me what you all think. I'm going to get me I don't know, I'm going to either get a small camper, or I'm going to get one of them, or I'm going to build one. I'm thinking about building one, to where I can take it off whenever I want to and put it back on. But I'm gonna have a buddy of mine I'm gonna build it out of aluminum rails, build a frame, and then where I can stick it on there and take it off. But y'all let me know what you think, and you know, I don't care what you say, and you know, if you like my channel and you want to come see me or visit, you're more than welcome. I got my little farm, little chicken farm, and y'all want to come and hang out, trade chickens, whatever y'all want to do, we'll do it. Y'all want to go solo camping, we all team up and go camping, hanging out. Just anything. I mean, I'm not shy. I just ain't never got this videos figured out yet, but we're going to try our best. But you know, but this channel is going to be about everything. It was A lot of people likes chickens, a lot of people likes camping, people likes fishing, hunting. We're just going to combine it all into one, and we want you all to help us figure out a name. And I'm going to try not to disappoint. If I do, y'all tell me. And we'll be disappointed together, we'll be happy together. But I'm never going to refuse anybody visiting or whatever. These people go on like they're millionaires and don't want nobody to know their address, don't want nobody doing this, but they expect you all to watch their channels, and you all give them all this stuff and give them this, and you give them that, but they don't want nobody coming around. You know, if a person's giving me something, the least I can do is have respect for that person and welcome them in, come and see us anytime they want to. I'm not all about that. You know, I'm not going to act above my raisins. I watch so many channels where they act, you know, they got to be all private and don't want nobody around. But they expect you all to keep sending that stuff, you know. As long as you're tapping that screen and doing all that, I figure if you're going to tap my screen, you're more than welcome to come see me. If you're going to tap or whatever, if you're going to gift, it's like these people got this Amazon wish list. I'd like to have one, but my channel ain't big enough to have no Amazon wish list. I'm thankful for all the members I've got, or subscribers I've got. I appreciate each and every one of them. But I'm not going to go around begging for money and begging for this and begging for that, and then and people says, don't you come to my house. You come to my house, I'm going to ask you to leave. Well, I'm not going to be that way. If you want to come to my house, you come to my house. Just let me know when you're coming, so I expect it. Because that ain't no way to be. I mean, you subscribers, y'all subscribe to a lot of people. Y'all are subscribed to a lot of people I'm subscribed to, and I listen to them people, and the way they treat people, that ain't no way to be. You know, y'all are looking out for them, but they're not looking out for you. So, just think about what I'm saying, and if y'all like my content, you know, we're going to switch it up. We're going to do a big change up. We're going to do a name change. We're going to have solo camping, fishing, maybe some hunting, camping, farming, building. We're going to do it all. So y'all let me know what you think, and leave me some comments. I'd appreciate it the heck out of it if y'all leave me a comment. Just hit that like button. Let me know you're out there watching, and I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm only going to be on here for a couple more minutes. I don't want to be too long rattling on, but that's going to be my solo thing, and we're going to build I think I'm going to build a camper shell. And hopefully it don't leak. It might leak, but I'm gonna insulate it. And like I said, I got one of them diesel heaters I'm gonna put in there. And we're gonna try this solo camping. And going to be doing some fishing. I'll be videoing it, and get enough subscribers up, we're gonna be going live one of these days. I can go live on my computer right now, but I can't go live on my phone. So, if y'all could tap that screen, hit that like button, subscribe, share us out with your friends and family, and big things are coming. A lot of big things. I told you one is chicken house, but there's a lot more stuff going on. I've just been trying to get everything together, but I need to change this channel name up from Half Acre Homestead Outdoors to something else. Something adventurous or something. I just ain't got it in my head yet, but y'all help me think of it. Appreciate each and every one of my subscribers and hope to get more. And we'll see you all in the next one. I'm Alan, and we'll catch you all later. See you now, you hear?